Welcome to Zenyo Workforce. In this video, we are going to walk you through everything you need to know about a powerful tool for measuring employee loyalty and engagement. So, let's dive right in. eNPS is a metric that helps you understand how likely your employees are to recommend your organization as a great place to work. Now, let's look at how to create and manage an eNPS survey. To get started, click on the app icon and select Engagement. Then, head over to the Manage eNPS tab. You'll find all the previously created surveys. Click on the Add eNPS Survey button to create a new survey. Now we're on the Create New eNPS page. In the General section, you'll need to give your survey name. Choose how often you want to run it, quarterly or half-yearly. Pick a specific date and time for the survey. Set a time frame for completion and enter the description. Next, in the Anonymous and Broadcast Type section, if you want the survey to be anonymous, just check that box. By default, the survey will be visible through announcements. Check the email box if you want to notify employees by email. Now, create your survey question. You can enter your own in the custom question box. Or, click Select from Template to use a pre-made question, and click Insert. You can use the 10-point rating scale where scores from 1 to 6 provide negative feedback, 7 to 8 indicate a neutral response, and 9 to 10 are considered highly likely. The Applicable For field allows you to specify which employees the survey will apply to. By default, the setting is applied to all employees. Click the Edit link to select only some employees to target specific groups. Click Save. Once you're happy with everything, hit Publish to send it out, or Save to keep it as a draft. Now, I'm clicking Save to keep it as a draft. You can find the saved survey under the Manage eNPS tab. The details like survey name, status, date, time, frequency, and anonymity status will be displayed. Click the More Options icon. From there, you can move the survey to active status, view the details, edit it, or delete it if needed. Click the Active option, and click Yes to confirm. Note, once a survey is active and employees have responded, you can't delete it anymore. For employees, when a survey is published, it will appear under their eNPS Info tab. Employees can click on it, answer the question, and even leave a comment explaining their rating. If anonymity is enabled, this will be indicated at the bottom of the survey. Once finished, click Submit. Once the survey is completed, its status will change from ongoing to completed under the eNPS Info tab. If an employee does not complete the survey within the designated time frame, it will no longer be accessible, and a note will appear stating that the time has expired. Employees who are not eligible will not be able to view or answer the survey. Now let's dive deep into eNPS Analytics. To get started with your analysis, head over to the eNPS Analytics tab. First, you'll need to select the survey. Next, pick the corresponding survey date from another drop-down. Hit Apply to see the full analytics for your chosen survey. If you need to start over, just click Reset to clear your filters. Responses are categorized into 3 groups. Promoters are employees who give positive feedback, scoring between 9 and 10. Neutrals are employees who are satisfied but not enthusiastic, scoring between 7 and 8, and they are not counted. Detractors are employees who provide negative feedback, scoring between 0 and 6. The eNPS score is calculated using the formula eNPS equals % of promoters minus % of detractors, with a range from -100 to +100. Next to it, there's an arrow icon. Green means your score has improved since the last survey, while red indicates a drop. Below the score, you'll see the percentage increase or decrease compared to your previous survey. You'll also find the total number of responses, giving you an idea of your overall participation rate. You can also break down the scores for promoters, neutrals, and detractors individually. Now, let's look at the Net Promoter Score section. The survey question is displayed along with the overall eNPS score, which ranges from -100 to +100. Here, a detailed percentage breakdown of detractors, neutrals, and promoters is provided. The rating distribution chart shows the number of responses for each rating on the 10-point scale. It's a great way to quickly gauge how your employees feel. Next up is the score across company section. Here, you can break down eNPS scores across 4 different categories: department, role, employment type, and work location. Let's say you select department. It will display the eNPS score for each department within the company. Each bar is color-coded with green for promoters, yellow for neutrals, and red for detractors. The length of each color section represents the percentage of responses in that category. This visual representation makes it easy to spot trends and identify areas that might need some extra attention. The sentiment analysis feature takes us beyond the numbers to understand the why behind the scores. The system categorizes employee comments into 3 sentiment categories: what people like, positive; what people dislike, negative; and employee suggestions, neutral. Each category has a set of predefined terms and associated keywords. When an employee submits a comment, the system analyzes the text for these keywords and categorizes the comment accordingly. You can click on any specific term to get a more detailed breakdown. You'll see the actual employee comments categorized under that term. Each comment is labeled as a promoter, neutral, or detractor based on the 10-point scale scoring. You'll also see the overall score percentages for promoters, neutrals, and detractors for that specific term. This level of detail allows you to really understand the factors driving your eNPS score and identify specific areas for improvement. Remember, this powerful tool gives you insights into employee satisfaction across your entire organization. Use it wisely to create a happier, more engaged workforce. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.